This is from Ali about a TN visa chatting from YouTube. Have a TN visa, but the officer mentioned they stopped doing stamping and suggested to get the I-94 from online, I-94 form online. Is that the only print required to enter the US, or I need to fill any form or need a stamp? So he
Yes,
got.
that's yeah. It's been a while actually since they've stopped for all visa statuses, whichever visa you're coming in on. Um, it's been a while since they stopped stamping the I-94 in the passport. Now what they do is, or giving a a white card. Sometimes they stamp, sometimes they don't, but they've stopped giving that white card, which is the I-94 card. So what they're expecting is that you can come into the country because you have a visa. You already go through CBP to do that, and they allow you in. Once you're in the country, then you'd have to go to the website, the I-94 website, put in your passport number, and then you'll be able to print out on a white piece of paper your I-94 approval, and that will give you the date until which you can stay, and you can either print it out, or if someone needs to look at it as proof of status, that's what you need to do. So that's the only thing required. There's no white I-94 card, and sometimes they don't stamp, sometimes they do stamp, depending on where you're entering, which airport or port of entry you're entering at. And the stamp is anyway not proof of status. What is proof of status is that I-94 of that is that you have online.
So how do they obtain a copy of the I-94 online?
Well, you have to go to the website. Just type in I-94 website on Google, and you will get to that website. And then type in your passport number once you get the website, and it will give you your entire travel history. Is one page, and the other page, it will show you your I-94, your present I-94 and its validity. So you can just print that out, and that will be your proof of status.
Okay. So what if they tried and nothing comes up? What happens? Should they go back?
Well, usually it does. It's unusual when it's not, because they enter all that information into that website. But if it doesn't, then you can contact CBP, your local CBP, wherever you entered into the US. There are numbers again online. If you type in CBP and that particular port that you entered from, such as LA CBP, etc., New York CBP, and there'll be a phone number available. You can call them. You can go in person if they allow you to come in person once you've called them, and they should be able to fix that problem for you.
All right. Thanks for answering that question.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry, exceptional employee benefits, highly rated by our employees, global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.